In this tutorial, you'll learn Tinkercad circuit starters. Adding components, editing components, wiring and start simulating. Let's get started. First, let's start by adding every component we need for an interactive motor controller circuit. Search for battery and add an 1.5-volt AA battery. Change battery count to 2. Then search for a DC motor and add it. Finally, search for a photoresistor and add it. Second step is to wire the circuit. First, click the negative terminal of the battery and connect it to the negative terminal of the motor. Then connect the positive terminal of the motor to one of the legs of the photoresistor and connect the other leg to the negative terminal of the battery. Third step is to change wire colors and photoresistor rotation. Rotate the photoresistor by pressing R key for a better formation. Select positive terminal wires and change the color to red and change the color of negative terminal wires to black. Last step is to run the simulation. Click Start Simulation. Click on the photoresistor. You should now see a slider appear below your photoresistor. Drag the slider from one side to another. Notice how the speed of the motor changes with more light. This covers the basics of Tinkercad circuit design. You can continue with videos about more complex circuits.